Hi friend, Keith Johnson here. I want to share with you from my book, The Confidence Solution. The last triangle in chapter number 12 is entitled Life Confidence. When I went to my mentor, Bob Beal, one day, I was feeling discouraged. I was lacking energy and excitement and passion, and I didn't know what was wrong. And I asked Bob, I said, Bob, what's going on with me? And he said, Keith, it's obvious you've lost your life confidence. And I thought, life confidence? What is life confidence? And Bob said to me, he says, life confidence is when you have a crystal clear picture of your future, you know your purpose in life, and you have a detailed plan on how you're going to make it happen. And I was blown away because he said, Keith, show me your plan for the next 10 years. I was like, I don't have one. And so it caused me to do these three things. Number one, it forced me to get clear about my future. You'll never have confidence in life until you are clear on where you're going in life. Number two, it caused me to get focused. It caused me to zero in on my priorities. What do I need to do in the next 30 days, in the next 90 days, in the next year, in the next 5 years to get my life moving in the direction I needed to get it to move in? And then finally, I needed to take action with my action plan. And once I had a clear plan, now I was ready to take radical action in getting moving on my destiny. And that was the traction I needed to start accelerating my life to achieving outrageous success in life. Hey, visit my website at keithjohnson.tv.